Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask in the world. We ran out of masks on Amazon. I know, right? We emptied the well, but we didn't get all the masks, so we started with the FDA. This is an FDA cleared mask on the FDA's website. Could not find it on Amazon, could not buy it online at all, so we went to the dark web. No, we went to Alibaba and we found these masks. And let's get it in the clamper and see what happens. Now, an FDA cleared mask is something that has to go through a very rigorous process. There are about 7 tests that you have to do. The FDA reviews those tests, and then the FDA actually performs some of those tests to verify your results. And one of those tests that they perform is this one, a PFE machine. So we're just checking some boxes here and seeing, and then I'm going to talk about some masks. The company's called 3A Medical. They are claiming ASTM Level 3 with 510K. I've never seen that on a box, but they're clearly very proud of it, which they should be, because that's a lot of work to get that. So look at this, particulate filtration efficiency at 98%. That's the name of the manufacturer. That's weird. Oh, here we go. 3A Medical Products Co. in China. Let's open it up. I love the box here. Box is a soft touch box. I mean, the design could be better, but like, it's a soft touch box. It is in a one of these. I don't love the resealable things. I mean, it's nice, but I also feel like anybody could have just gotten in there before me. So I'm like, should I really put this on my face? That's just a personal preference, though. Pretty good quality spun bond. This is like the darkest. Oh, that's great too. Oh man, why does that happen? Anytime I compliment a mask, it breaks. If I give it a good pull, it's going to come off. Great quality ear loops, though. I don't think it's going to come off on your face, but I've definitely seen stronger construction. Let's try it on. Oh, weird. I think there might be some psychosomatic things going on here, but I'm going to call this smell painter's tape. It is kind of the color of painter's tape, but also it smells exactly like painter's tape. That is so crazy. That's a new one. I like that. It's not overpowering, but it is there. I like the color though. It's a little bit unique. You usually see the same sort of like light blue. This one's a little bit different. All right, let's take a look at the score. Now remember, they are claiming ASTM Level 3, which is a 98% or better on this exact machine, using latex particles. 97.8. 97.8, not bad. I'm going to give it to them. I'm going to call this one good because there's so many variables. I mean, this thing came overseas, came in a box. Who knows how old it is? We're not using GLP with this good laboratory practices, which you have to if you're submitting for an official 510K test. So there's a lot of variables. Being that close, I could definitely see them actually hitting that standard. So 3A Medical, good job. It's a pretty good mask. If you should happen to come across this at a hospital, which is probably the only place you're going to find this, you're not going to be able to buy it online. Only can buy this type of mask in bulk. I'd trust it. All right, thank you guys so much. I appreciate your time and attention. And you know what? I like you guys so much that why don't we? Hey guys, let's do another test, huh? If everyone else is into that, every day at 10 a.m. I'll see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. with another test. See you then, bud.